Hey, did you know that tomatoes can help prevent cancer? They can also make your skin healthier and enhance your appearance. The question is, how should you eat tomatoes, raw or cooked? We'll cover all of this in this video, so keep watching. First things first, let's talk about tomatoes. There are many different varieties of tomatoes. Here are the most common types of tomatoes in the USA. Beefsteak tomatoes, large, meaty, and ideal for slicing, especially in burgers and sandwiches. Roma tomatoes, a firm, meaty tomato used mainly for sauces, pastes, and salsas. Cherry tomatoes, small, round, and sweet, perfect for salads, snacks, or roasting. Grape tomatoes, similar to cherry tomatoes, but smaller and more oblong, often used in salads and snacking. Heirloom tomatoes, known for their diverse colors, shapes, and intense flavors, popular in salads and gourmet dishes. Campari tomatoes, medium-sized, sweet and juicy, often used in salads and for fresh eating. San Marzano tomatoes, a type of plum tomato prized for its rich flavor and low acidity, commonly used in sauces. Which type do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I love Campari tomatoes. I enjoy adding them to salads and sometimes eating them fresh as a snack. Now let's move on to the main focus of this video, the health benefits of tomatoes. No matter what type of tomato you eat, the health benefits are generally similar. However, raw and cooked tomatoes do differ in some ways. In general, tomatoes are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key ones. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer. Men, take note, adding more tomatoes to your diet could be beneficial. 2. Lowers blood pressure. The potassium and lycopene in tomatoes help lower blood pressure, making them a great choice for people with hypertension. They can also aid in reducing cholesterol levels. 3. Good for your eyes. Tomatoes contain vitamin A and beta-carotene, both crucial for eye health. The World Health Organization estimates that 250,000 to 500,000 children become blind each year due to vitamin A deficiency, and half of them die within 12 months of losing their sight. So don't forget to add tomatoes to your kids' lunch boxes. 4. Skin health. The antioxidants in tomatoes, especially lycopene, help protect the skin from UV damage and promote a healthier appearance. With raw, ripe tomatoes being about 95% water, they're also excellent for rehydrating the skin. Ladies, your skin can be lush and radiant, just like a superstar's. 5. Boosts immune system. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and promotes faster wound healing. So if you have an injury, don't forget to add some tomatoes to your diet. 6. Prevents constipation. The fiber in tomatoes supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. 7. Aids in weight loss, low in calories and high in water content. Tomatoes can help you feel full longer, making them a great choice for supporting a healthy weight. 8. Promotes bone health. Tomatoes contain calcium and vitamin K, both essential for bone formation and overall bone health. Although the calcium content is not as high as that of milk, tomatoes can still promote bone health to some extent. Including tomatoes in your diet can contribute to overall wellness. So, how should you eat tomatoes, raw or cooked? In one study, heating tomatoes for 30 minutes reduced their vitamin C content by 30%, but increased antioxidant levels by 60%. So if you're eating tomatoes for skin health and beauty, it's best to eat them raw. However, if you're eating them to help prevent chronic diseases and cancer, cooked tomatoes are more beneficial. Thanks for sticking around to learn about the incredible health benefits of tomatoes. To recap, whether you're looking to improve your skin, support heart health, boost your immune system, or even aid in weight loss, tomatoes can be a great addition to your diet. Remember, both raw and cooked tomatoes offer unique benefits, so mix it up to get the most out of them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to enjoy tomatoes. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring new ways to nourish your body. Thanks for watching.